Hi again, this is Rodney Hakim from Persian Gallery, New York. We're just about done with our tour of the rug show here today at the Jacob Javits Center. But before we wrap it up, we're going to give you a look into the rug show's Antique Rug Pavilion. Like us, we are probably one of the biggest vendors in New York City of antique oriental rugs and tapestries, but there are many of our colleagues exhibiting here as well, and we want to give you a tour around. Now, this exhibit you see right here behind me, this is from ART Resources, and it's a fun, funky little exhibit showing different kind of sheep and the different kinds of wool. It's a simulation, of course, but it's a nice demonstration of the different kind of sheep and the different kind of wool that they have that are used for the oriental rugs. You'll see some of them have softer or longer wool, some have different colors, and of course by the time these are processed and dyed, the resulting colors in the rugs can often look very different depending on the kind of dye that's used and the concentration of those dyes. We'll walk our way over to the Antique Rug Pavilion here at the Rug Show. And the same people, ART Resources, that had the little fun exhibit with the simulated sheep, they have their antique section over here. In keeping with what we spoke about with Michael Christie, the ruggist, the editor of Rug Insider magazine a little bit earlier, traditional designs are on their way back, antique looks are coming back, and antique rugs are again being used for a lot of design projects, for a lot of homes. Let's take a quick look inside and see what's on display. We'll see in their booth we have some very traditional designs. We have some geometric looking pieces, Caucasians, Serape. We'll move next door to the Rug and Kilim booth, our friends over at Rug and Kilim. And they have some lovely things on display as well. More in the Turkish family. Here we are at the booth of Krikor Markarian, another longtime rug vendor, antique rug vendor. And he's got some more collectible items on display, Caucasians and some other Persian rugs and some saddlebags and things of that nature. Collectible merchandise. For the Persian rug enthusiasts, you will have to have Persian tea. And they have a nice little setup over here to satiate the Persian rug buyer. Over here we have the booth for Nazmiel Auctions, our friends over at Nazmiel, and they have some lovely things on display. This over here is a pictorial rug telling the story of Persian kings. At our anniversary party last night, people were extremely impressed with a similar piece that we had that tells the story of the doomed Persian lovers, Layli and Majnun. You can check that out on our website at www.pgny.com/item 27529. Here is the booth for Looms of Persia, who also offer a very nice selection of vintage and antique rugs. And lastly, we have the booth of our friends over at Ramanan Antique Rugs, with their focus being primarily Chinese rugs. Over this way, behind Ramanan's booth, we have offerings from the Fazli Rug Connection, based in California, and they have some vintage and antique rugs on display as well. So as you can see, even though the majority of the rug show is still in favor of new and contemporary rugs, and they are the predominant force here in the rug show, there is a significant presence of vintage and antiques, and those looks are coming back into style. So you can come and visit the rug show, register online at www.therugshow.com. You can check out the Antique Pavilion, you can check out all the other things on display, and of course, for the best antique rugs in New York City, you can visit our website at www.pgny.com. Thank you very much, and we hope to hear from you soon.